What's up guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my second moving vlog. Today is Monday, January 6th. It's around 9:45 right now. I spent the last hour or so starting to edit my first moving vlog. I feel like there's still such a big echo in here because like it's still kind of empty. I have a lot I want to get done today, but I have to be home from 10 to 12 because someone is coming to set my Wi-Fi up during that time, so I just have to be here until they come. In the meantime, I think I'm just going to continue organizing some stuff, putting some stuff away, and then later I want to go to Trader Joe's and stock up on groceries because I have zero food in my house right now. But yeah, if you haven't already seen my first moving vlog, definitely go watch that. I show you like an empty apartment tour and moving all my stuff in. So I'm kind of trying to figure out how I want to organize all my beauty stuff, like my makeup, skincare, hair care, that kind of stuff. So I think I changed my plan. I have my Alex drawers, which I started putting things into. These I'm keeping in my room, so I don't put like my everyday makeup and skincare in here. This is more stuff that I don't use every day, like self-tanning stuff, makeup, like eyeshadow palettes, stuff that I don't use all the time. So that goes in here. And then you guys may have noticed that I didn't take my dresser with me. In my old apartment, I had like a big wide dresser from IKEA. I really loved that dresser, but this bedroom is just too small to have a dresser in. It's fine because the closet has all these like built-in drawers and shelves, so I was just gonna organize my clothes in these. I realized I have this little corner here in the hallway that I could, if I wanted to, fit like a tall skinny dresser in. And I think I'm gonna do that because I just feel like having my folded clothes in these shelves is gonna get like messy and hard to keep organized. I think I'm gonna get like an IKEA dresser to put right here and keep all my folded clothes in, and then that'll free up these shelves and I can get baskets to keep my like skincare and more beauty stuff in here. So I think that's gonna be a lot better and like more functional. I wish I had thought of that yesterday because I was at IKEA with my mom and we could have gotten the dresser, but I came up with that idea after. So I'm just gonna have to go there sometime later this week, but I think that's gonna make a lot more sense. I think I'm gonna continue organizing my Alex drawers and just getting my beauty stuff put away. It's a little bit later now. I am in my car. A guy came and set up my Wi-Fi this morning, so that is all done. Now I'm at Trader Joe's and I'm about to stock up on groceries. I have nothing in my apartment right now, so I made a huge grocery list on my phone and I'm just gonna get everything that I need for the week, but also just like to have in my apartment. Okay, I'm back from Trader Joe's. I literally got so much stuff, just stocked up on everything. I'll quickly do a little haul of everything I got. So, bananas, broccoli. They only had frozen broccoli, so I got that. I got some frozen fruit, just frozen raspberries, frozen mango, and frozen strawberries for like smoothies this week. Mashed potatoes, broccoli and beef, some cereal, these mac and cheese bites. Not the healthiest, but they're so good. Mac and cheese, some ground beef, butter, 2 of these little turmeric juice shots. I think I'll take one right now just to help prevent me from getting sick again. Spaghetti, ginger, kettle corn. This is one of my favorite snacks from Trader Joe's. Tortilla chips, oranges, lemons, pears, apples. I got some maple syrup since I don't have any of this, and also some agave, cucumbers, cheese slices, shredded cheese, it's like Trader Joe's brand sriracha, marinara sauce, salsa, this everything but the bagel yogurt dip. I've never tried this. I figured I could dip like cucumber slices in that and it'd be a really good snack. Bread, salad mix, chicken fried rice, avocados, salami and turkey slices, eggs, chocolate peanut butter mochi, some chicken sausage tortillas. I got a bottle of olive oil. I want to get one of those like olive oil dispensers. I've never had one of those, but I think that would look nicer than having it in the bottle. Just some vanilla yogurt, blueberries, these chocolate covered blueberries, and peanut butter. And that is everything. So I'm gonna put all this away. Hopefully I can find a place for everything. Hi guys, I have laundry going in the background, so sorry if it's really loud, but it is much later now. It's already 7 p.m. I just took a shower. I haven't been vlogging that much today. I honestly haven't been doing that much today. I've just been really tired. I've been so like go the past few days. I think my body is just worn out. I finished editing my first move-in vlog, so that is uploaded. Right now I'm actually going to set my TV up in the living room because now that my Wi-Fi is set up, I can set my TV up. I don't have cable, I just use a Google Chromecast, so it lets you like stream from your phone to the TV. You can do like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, pretty much anything. The Bachelor is on tonight at 8. And I'm gonna watch this season. I didn't watch Hannah's season, so I don't know who this Peter guy is, but I felt really left out not watching last season, so I'm definitely gonna watch now. So I wanna get my TV set up in time to watch that. Hello guys, it has been a couple days since I last vlogged. It is now Thursday. I'm about to head out and run to my favorite place in the world, the Container Store, and get some like organizing things. But I've made some progress on the apartment, so let me give you like a little tour of things that I've changed. So the biggest thing is that I got my dining room table and chairs set up. This is all stuff that I like don't know what to do with yet, so that's just sitting there for now. But you guys saw in the last vlog when I went to IKEA, this is the table that I got. It's really simple. It's just like a plain white rectangular table. It's actually cool because there's a piece that like slides out and you can extend this whole thing to make it longer. But I'm probably gonna keep it like this 99% of the time. I just wanted something super clean, white, simple. And then I got these 4 chairs from World Market. I'm trying to tie in black accents throughout the apartment because like the kitchen has this black wall around it and the blinds and the shelves over there are black. So I liked that these chairs had like the black little bars at the bottom. I thought it went really nicely with the apartment. So I really love just how like clean and simple this looks. And then I just got this bowl from Target. It's kind of overflowing right now with fruit, but that's just gonna be like my little fruit bowl. Yeah, that's like the dining room situation. I have to find something to hang on this wall here. I have all of my framed prints just on the ground right now because I'm gonna wait till my parents come over and help me hang everything. These are all from Society 6 except for that one. That one's from Dormify. These are all old, and then these 2 I got new. So like I said, they're from Society 6, but I'm gonna hang them on this wall once I get my couch. It's kind of messy over here right now, but I'm just kind of figuring out how I'm going to decorate all these shelves. I did get this new little Alexa thing. Oh, she heard me. So it's just like an Alexa, but it has a screen, which is cool. So I don't know, you can like, it shows you random stuff on here. So oh, I also switched out the hardware of this TV stand. So this is my old TV stand from my last apartment. It's from Wayfair like a year ago, but when I bought it, it came with these like silver bars as the handles for the drawers. In my last apartment, I had a lot of like silver accents. Whoa, oh my god, she thinks it's a toy. But like I said, I'm going for more black accents in this apartment, so I just got these little knobs from Home Depot. They were like $3 each, and I just switched them out. So it gives it a whole new look, and it just feels like a brand new TV stand. So that's a really good way if you want to make something like fit your space better, if you just want to give something a different vibe. Switching out the hardware is a really like inexpensive way to do it. And then now in the bathroom, I kind of got this whole counter space organized a little bit. I made this drawer on the left here, like my makeup drawer. So I just put all of my most used makeup products in here so that I have like easy access to them when I'm getting ready. This drawer over here is my skincare drawer, so I just have all my most used skincare in here. So I did decide I'm going to get a dresser for this corner right here. That's why those clothes are just on the floor. That way I was able to clear out these shelves, and now all these shelves are gonna be like beauty, bathroom, just like products back here. This is why I'm going to the Container Store, because I need more organizers for all this stuff. Hello guys, it is much later now. I didn't vlog at all today because I forgot my camera. After I went to the Container Store, I just went to IKEA and actually got the dresser that I'm gonna put in this little corner in the hallway. It's going to go right here. It's in these two boxes right now. There's like kind of a little picture of it. It's just white, but it's actually like the tall, skinny version of the dresser that I had in my old apartment. I remember when I built that dresser, it literally took me an entire day. So hopefully this doesn't take me as long. I don't think it will because it's less drawers and it's smaller, but maybe like once I start building it, since I've already done this before, like it'll come back to me and I'll be able to do it quickly. But it is 5:06 right now, so I'm going to be working on this probably the rest of the night. Before I start that, I will show you what I got from the Container Store, and I'm gonna get everything in my bathroom closet like organized. It's these two big bags of things. First thing I got is this little glass. It's like a 2-compartment organizer. I'm gonna put my makeup brushes in this because I just don't like the one that I have now. I feel like it doesn't go with this bathroom. I also just got 2 of these silver command hooks. I'm gonna hang one of these on this wall because I don't have any place to hang like a hand towel, and when I'm like washing my hands or washing my face, I want to like have a towel there. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but I'm gonna hang my robe on this one. I got 2 of these acrylic organizers that have this divider here, and then 2 of these that are just regular little baskets. So I'm gonna use these to organize all of the stuff that's in here right now. The worst part of the Container Store is taking off all the stickers that are on these things. Last thing that I got from the Container Store are just these 2 black wire baskets. I'm gonna put these down here in these little shelves under the sink. Okay, so everything has a place now. Put all my medicine cabinet things in here. Got this stuff all organized. This looks good. Cleaning stuff down there. And the good thing is I still have a lot of space up there if I decide to like get more stuff or rearrange things or whatever. Put my makeup brushes in this little thing, and I think those baskets look really good there. Feeling a lot more organized. Now I just need to build this dresser so that I can get my clothes organized. Building IKEA furniture is such a nightmare, but hopefully it doesn't take me too long. I can get it done quickly-ish. We'll see. Got the frame all built and put in place. It fits perfectly because it doesn't block this light switch here. Love it. Now I just have to put all of the drawers together. It is 9:45. I decided to call it a night on the dresser because the next step involved like hammering stuff. It's late and I felt bad like being so loud. So I'm just gonna finish it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna head to bed, or at least like lay in bed. I did set up my TV in my room. I just have it like sitting on this little ledge for now. I'm gonna hang it on this wall. I've been catching up on the current season of Real Housewives of New Jersey, so I think I'm going to resume that, and I will continue vlogging tomorrow because I want you guys to see like the finished dresser and how I organize all my clothes and stuff. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning. It is the next day now. I spent the morning finishing my dresser and it is all done now. I love it. It fits this space perfectly. It doesn't feel like too crowded in here. There's lots of space to move around. I got all of my clothes organized. Shirts, more shirts, more shirts, more t-shirts, and then my leggings and like biker shorts. I just put this little print from Dormify up here for now and this little vase. Yeah, I'm so glad that's done. It wasn't too bad to put together. Things are really starting to feel organized in here. I'm actually going to end this vlog here. I just wanted to show you guys the completed dresser before I ended it. But I think I'm gonna start off a weekend in my life vlog either later today or tomorrow. So look out for that. There will be more moving vlogs, but I kind of don't have that much to do right now. I am just waiting for my couch to come. Once the couch comes, then I can really like get a visual of how I want the space to be. I don't know if I want a coffee table yet for the living room, or I might just get like a little side table. I don't know. I really just need to like wait for the couch to come, and then I can visualize everything, and then I can start hanging things on the wall and just like decorating a little bit more. So yeah, there will be more moving vlogs, but I kind of have to just like wait now until the couch comes. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of me kind of getting things organized and just getting settled more. I'm loving it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.